Hi, welcome back. In this part of the tutorial, we want to insert the records that have been passed to PHP so that we can save them in our MySQL database. So I'll start by commenting and writing that we're going to insert records or insert form values to MYSQLtable. In order for us to do this, we are going to use the MySQL query function. So this is how we're going to implement it. Let's say SQL equals to SQL query, and then we pass in this connection. So it takes two values. One of them is this connection, and the other one is a MySQL insert statement as a string. So I will write insert into table, the name of the table, insert into table users, insert into table users, then values. Okay, so our users table had FN, because we don't need user ID, it's automatically going to be assigned. So FN, LN, email, and password. So FN, LN, email, and password. And great. So the values that we're going to insert are these variables here. Sorry, the variables here. So for FN, I'll use this. I'll pass that way. And then I'll put LN. Then I will pass in email. Then I will pass in pass. There we go. So we have pass. So if all works well, then this should post the values, but I always prefer that we test. So since the connection is working correctly, we can grab this this testing and bring it down here to just test if our insertion is working. So change this to SQL. There we go. Then we can say record inserted, or we can say error inserting record. So let's see how this behaves. Okay, so test 1, 2, 3. Error inserting record. Let's see why that is the error. So we are going to troubleshoot this. Why are we getting that error? Okay, so what I want to do is I want to change this, and instead I want to echo the actual MySQL. So that we know exactly what is causing this error. So you have an error near table users, FN data values, okay, at line 1. So let's see what we have here. So insert into table users. Can't seem quite to see any error here. Check the manual total syntax to use near table. We're supposed to say insert into users. Sorry for that. So let's see what error we get now. Record inserted. So let's verify if that has worked. Select all from users. Yep, we have our records, or our record successfully inserted, so that's correct.